Hello, welcome back to Wiki Universe. What we're going to try to do today is we're going to try to fix the convertible. If you have a long enough one of these, what's going to happen is this. This actually was glued here. The fabric was glued to the glass. Believe it or not, that's how some of the Germans do it. And with time, what's going to happen is you're going to wash the car, the top, it will dry out, then it'll be washed again, dry out, and the fabric will actually shrink. Yes, the fabric will actually shrink and will unglue from the glass. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a piece. It has to be a fabric either the same or a leather fabric, because this is where the convertible breaks, and you don't need to have like a piece that's hard on the surface, because it will break and it's not really gonna work. So it has to be something soft. Okay, so we have the piece here, and you can find these rivets online. They're made for leather purses, shoes, and stuff like that, belts, stuff like that, and they are going to be the perfect fit for what we're trying to do. We might need this, we may or may not need that. Well, what I'm gonna try to do is put this fabric here and put the rivets, and every couple inches, like 4 or 5 inches, a rivet, and we're gonna do it up to here. And that's how we're gonna plan to fix the top. Well, this is the inexpensive way. Of course, you can always go to the dealer, but they quoted me anywhere between $4,000 and $5,000, and that's one of the least expensive versions. In some cases, that'll be the cost of your vehicle. So let's see what we're gonna do with this piece here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill a hole. We already did. We're gonna find a size that matches exactly the size of that rivet, and then you take that piece. Okay, this is the one of the pieces, the top part, and then okay, there's the new hole, and there's the rivet, and that's what we're gonna try to accomplish. Drill a couple of holes with the drill and put those rivets, and then underneath will be our fabric. It'll be underneath over there. Like I said, it'll come up to here, so we'll see what happens. Okay, progress. We just put our first rivet. We tighten it up underneath with that flat screwdriver. And now we're going to continue forward, drilling another hole, and then we're gonna use this one just to make the the hole even on the fabric, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, we did another hole in the fabric, both fabrics, with the drill and with this little piece. And now we're gonna put another rivet in there. We put the second rivet in place, and starts to look already very nice. Oh my god, it's probably gonna look better than the original factory. Okay, we're keep on going. Okie dokie, so we finally put the last few rivets in here, and this is the end result, how this would look like. And this is the end result of our repair for the soft top on Audi TT. I would say it looks pretty nice, and if you notice that little thing over there, that will actually flatten itself out once it gets on the sun, because it's a fabric, so it will straighten itself out, that little thing over there. And whatever there's anything, like the soft top already did shrink itself and then unglue itself from the glass. So this is again fabric, so it will shrink and it will straighten itself out and will look really, really nice. And like I said, this is a very cheap version. You just need a piece of fabric, a leather preferably, and those rivets you buy them online. And then I would say this is like a $20–30 worth of material, and then of course your time, which will probably take anywhere between 30 minutes to 2 hours. It depends how many times you done this before. And overall you're saving $4,000 to $5,000 at the dealership. And again, even if something happens with that fabric, you just put another one. You already have the holes, you already have the rivets, so that's pretty much what you're doing. Put another fabric and there you go. It will last you for months. Thank you guys for watching us. We'll see you later.